Good evening, all. Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
How are you all?
Fine, sir.
Yes. How many of you are present? How many of you are absent for the test? Tanvi was absent for the exam. Why, Tanvi?
Yes, I was not feeling well.
Okay. Who was absent? Akil. I request Akil to talk in the class. Akil, are you here?
So Akhil did not join, sir. He's not in the meet.
Why so? Can you please inform your brother?
Oh no, he's there. He's there.
Akil. Akil, I request you to talk in the class. Yes, he is not responding. Okay, Diksha, why was you absent for the last class?
Sir, I was sick.
You were sick. Who else absent? Who else were absent for the last class?
Sir, I was absent, sir. I had Viva at this time.
What Viva?
So it was sides Viva. Like they would give marks. They would add it for final exam.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yes. Tell me, what shall we start? Children, what shall we discuss today? Do you have anyone of you have doubts?
Sir, are we going to start a new chapter or revise one of the old ones?
No, actually, we have to start term 2.
Okay.
Circles we have done. We have to move forward for the next chapter.
Sir, can we do surface area and volume?
Definitely. Let me take suggestion. Let me take the vote from everyone. Tell me, children. Tell me. Post your uh, opinion on taking next chapter. Tell me which chapter you want me to take now. Benjamin, Steve. What about others? Everyone should text. I'm talking to each and everyone, right? So there should not be that particular student is not texting. Everyone should text. Hello. Sorry. Huh? I'm asking you to text or talk something in the class and tell what chapter you want me to start with. My voice is breaking. Guys, is it so?
No, sir.
I think it is the problem from your side. Can you please check it out? So quadratic equations we have done, arithmetic progressions we have done, circles we have done. We need to finish 4 more chapters. They are constructions, some applications of trigonometry. I think we have done with this as well. Guys, applications of trigonometry have you solved?
Yes, sir. We did it after trigonometry.
Yes, after
Yes,
the
sir.
trigonometry we did it. Very chotu chapter. We have left with only 3 chapters. Circles, constructions, surface area, surface areas and volume statistics. So you have choice now: statistics, surface areas and volumes, and constructions. Tell me which chapter you want me to start. So few of you guys have suggested to start with surface areas and volumes. Hello. Hello. Guys, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Yeah, little bit breaking. So it's breaking a little. Like sometimes when you speak in between, it breaks.
Yes, I'm saying that which chapter you want me to start with. Everyone should respond. It's not asking. Okay. Ashish, what about you? Are you in the class?
Yes. Us will do solving.
Okay. What about Akil? Ashish.
Sir,
Ashish. Tell me which chapter you want me to start.
sir, surface areas and volume, sir.
Okay. Deeksha.
Sir, surface areas and volumes.
See here, someone is saying surface areas and volume, so that I also suggest that. Don't be like that. Feel free to express the chapter whichever you want to start with. I'll take maximum number of votes and starts with Himanshu Singh. Himanshu,
Yes, sir.
tell me which chapter you want me to start.
Sir, trigonometry, because sir, trigonometry is little bit hard, sir, compared to other chapters.
Okay, trigonometry already we finished.
Yes.
We don't have
Sir,
anything to start.
one week, sir, I was not in the class. Actually, sir, my exam was going on.
No problem. We'll discuss. We'll take an extra class and we'll explain you. That is not an issue actually.
Okay.
Can we have a class tomorrow?
Then, sir, surface area and volume we should do, sir.
Okay. Can we have an extra class tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
So one class we didn't take, right? I think I was not feeling well that day. Yeah,
Yes.
that day. So we'll compensate tomorrow. Is it okay for everyone? Or
Sir,
else,
what time?
So what time?
yeah, or else you want to enjoy the festival holidays. I
Sir,
compensate
can you let me know
Sir, it
what
depends on
time
the
it
time,
is?
sir.
time probably in the morning, 11
Sir,
to 12, or 10 to
I
11,
will be traveling.
11 to 12, 12
Sir,
to
me too. I'll be traveling.
So at what time you want me to cut it then?
So evening, that would be like easy.
Any date is fine. Or else day after tomorrow.
Sir, I'm fine with tomorrow actually, from 11 to 12.
Sir, but my class will be going on, school class.
Sorry. Your classes?
From 11 to 12.
Huh? Sorry.
Sir, from 11 to 12 is my classes, school class.
11 to 12 your class will be going. Tell me which any other time than 12 to 1? I need to know acknowledgement from everyone actually. Diksha,
Yes.
no one is responding. Why? Girls, Tanvi,
Sir, 11 to 12 is okay, sir.
what about you, Diksha?
Yes, sir, that's fine with me.
What about you, Tanvi?
So 11 to 12 is okay for me.
Sir, but not fine with me.
Udbhav,
Sir, not fine with me.
who is that?
Sir, 11 to 12 is fine, sir.
Who is that?
Sir, but my class will be there at 9.
You'll be having class. Till what?
Sir, till 12.
Till 12. Okay. So then what about 12 to 1?
Yes, sir, fine.
12 to 1 done. Is it okay with everyone? 12 to 1?
Yes, sir.
Boys,
Sir, this is Steve. I will not be able to join. I will be traveling.
you'll be in
Sir,
traveling.
11 to 12 is best, sir.
Akhil, just you are alone, like, having, issue with the timing. Can you please do one favor here?
Yes, sir.
Akhil, better, can you please, what do you call? Can you please better try to join, the class? Or else can you go through the lecture? Hello?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes. Why? Because you try to attend the class. Try to attend the class. If not possible for you, then Ahil is okay with that. Why can't Akhil? Both of you are having same school,
Sir,
same
different school. Sir, both different. No, sir, different school.
both are different schools. ये कैसा वाला है भाई? मैंने देखा है दोनों भाई भाई एक ही स्कूल में पढ़ते हुए हैं। Then दोनों भाई भाई दूसरा स्कूल में वही। हाँ?
और आपकी आवाज सही नहीं.
I'm asking why you are in different schools. ठीक है, जो भी है। Yes. So surface areas and volumes. We will start with this. Basically, what we have to learn here in surface area and volumes. Look at this here. Look at this surface areas and volumes of combinations of any two of the following. They are cubes, cuboids, spheres, hemispheres, and right circular cylinders. Right? Circular cylinders are cones. Yes, problems involving converting one type of metallic solid into another, and other mixed problems with the combination of not more than two different solids be taken. Yes. Okay, this is what given. Okay, so we'll start with that. Guys, tell me any idea about surface areas and volumes. How do you define and how do you define a surface area and volume? Hello.
Yes, sir. Surface area would be the area of all the sides, sum of the area of all the sides of a 3D figure.
Mm-hmm.
And the volume would be the capacity. It has to hold things inside of it. How much space is inside of it?
Mm-hmm. What about others? What will be learning here? We'll be learning surface area and volume for different solid shapes. What? Different solid shapes like cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and so on. Yes or no? Basically, generally, how can you classify the surface area? Look at this. Let me write here. Surface areas. Surface areas and volume. ठीक है? So the surface area can be, देखो हमारे पास we'll be learning about, in the surface area what we'll be learning? We'll be discussing about surface area and volume for different solid shapes. Guys, I'll write simply shortcut. SCM is surface area. Okay. Surface area and volume. For different solid shapes. Like what kind of they look at this. Cubes, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and so on, etc. etc. Okay. So basically, look at this. How can you just here surface area? Look at this. Let me write now. Surface area. SCM means what here? Surface area. The surface area can be generally, it can be classified into, look at this. Lateral surface area. Lateral SCA, which means lateral surface area. And another type is what?
So total surface area.
Very good. Total surface area. And I would say one more thing is curved.
But sir, it's the same thing as lateral.
Yes. We'll talk about different types I'm talking about. We classify like this. Curved surface area. Here what we do here, we'll discuss the formulas. Basically, you'll be having formulas for each and everything. If I'm not wrong, you might be aware of that. Excuse me. So we'll discuss, these are all three-dimensional shapes, isn't it? These are all three-dimensional shapes actually. Cone, cuboid, okay, cylinder, cubes, everything. Three-dimensional shapes. All these are three-dimensional shapes or not? Do you agree with my point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
3D shapes. These are all 3D shapes. We'll be learning combination of different what? Combination of different solid shapes we'll be talking about in this chapter. What? Combination of different solid shapes. हम दोनों solid shape को combine करते हुए question solve करेंगे इसमें. We'll be combining two solid shapes and we'll be taking the questions on that. Okay, first we'll be learning about procedure as well to find volume and uska surface area. We'll be learning about procedures, how to find surface area and volume of a particular thing. Okay. Now first we'll talk about what? Cuboid. Cuboid. We'll talk about. First we'll talk about surface area here. ACA means what? South Africa, not South Africa. Surface area. Okay? Surface area. Let me take cuboid. How the diagram should be. Let me look at this. Yes or no? Look at this now. Join this. Okay? Yes or no? Now I'll be considering this part. ये मेरे पास जो है ना, this is what I have here. Look at this here. Now let me give this. These are what it says here. A. This is my. Let me give this here A. Here B. कुछ भी नेम दे दो ऐसा, ठीक है. Let's give the top. This is our top surface. ABCD is the top surface. Here E. F. This one G. This one H. Okay. H. Now guys, look at this here. If I talk about, this is what I'll be consider this, and this is my length. This is what length. This is what height. This is what is this? What is this? Base.
So,
Breadth. Not base, breadth or width. What is length is equal to L here. Breadth is equal to B here. And height is equal to H here. Okay. So total surface area, which is nothing but total surface area I'm talking about here. Total surface area is nothing but sum of all its faces, sum of all sides. Look at this. Then total surface area of the cuboid is what? Sum of all its 6 faces. Now look at this here. If you observe clearly, guys, try to understand here. Whatever I have, this plane, this one, this and this will be equal, this and this will be equal, and top and bottom again. Total how many? 6 faces I have here. How many? 6 faces. Top, bottom, side. Yes or no? Yes or no? How many faces? How many walls you have? How many walls you have, guys? How many planes? Look at this.
yes, sir. Six.
A, B, C, D is a one plane. A, B, E, F is a one plane. C, B, G, F is a one plane. D, A, H, E is a one plane. What else? H, E, G, F is a one plane. What is the one more thing? G, H, C, D is a one plane. Total 6. These are the planes I have 6. So sum of all these faces is what? Total surface area. Now I have two sides here. Yes or no? Now, if I talk about, look at this here, all these are rectangle here. Yes or no? So, two times of what? It's gonna perimeter 2 into, look at this here, not perimeter. I would say what you so total surface area. Area is nothing but what? Length into breadth. 2 times we have plus 2 times of B I have as well as H I have. Yes or no? Plus 2 times of H and L have. So what is the formula is going to be now? So if you simplify that 2 common L into B, or simply write LB plus BH plus HL. This is what my what total surface area of whom? Cuboid. Is that clear? Yes or no? Now let's talk about lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is nothing but what? All sides except top and bottom. All sides comes into the consideration except top surface and bottom surface. Top surface and bottom surface except these two surfaces. All surfaces comes into the consideration of lateral surface area. All right. So tell me here. Area of what? Area of what? Yes, Anudip, why are you late, Anudip? Anudip, why are you late?
Sir, sir,
Tell me.
yes, sir. Actually, I didn't get the class. Actually, I had problem with WhatsApp. I had to reinstall it again.
Okay. Please make sure that
Sir, I will see the recording again. I'll not miss the first 30 minutes. I'll see it again.
definitely look at this here. So look at this here. We are talking about surface areas and volumes actually. All right. So we have discussed about cuboid. I mean, we started with introduction, and how can be classified a surface area can be, how a surface area can be classified into different ways. That's what we have seen. Excuse me, children. After that, we have started with the cuboid. In that, first I started with surface area. So surface area of cuboid is what? 2 times of length into breadth, which means 2 L's, 2 B's, 2 H. I'll be having 2 L's, 2 B's, and 2 what? Breadths. That is what I'll be having here. Total 6 faces, right? 1, 2, 3. Look at it here. 6, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Yes. Lateral surface area is what? Lateral surface is the area of all the sides of that particular cuboid except top surface and bottom surface is what called as lateral surface area. Now tell me, what is the lateral surface area? Everyone should tell me. Let me copy the same.
Sir, the surface area except the area of the top and the bottom face.
Yes, that is what I'm saying. Except the top and bottom face. Tell me what are the areas comes under? Area of
ABEF, DCHG,
ABF plus area of
D.
BF
Yes.
G C A B F E plus DHGC. Top, this one, look at this here. Except this top one and this bottom one. Except this top one and bottom one, everything will comes under lateral surface area. Clear? So, so now lateral surface area of cuboid is what? Dekho. 2 times of breadth and h plus 2 times of L into h. 2 times of BH, 2 times of LH. So can I write simply 2BH plus 2LH? Can I take 2H common? So B plus L or L plus B. This is what? My lateral surface area. Yes or no? Look at this here. How we are getting this? Imagine here B. I'm considering here B. Okay, 2 times of B. Height 2 times. Here also height, here also height. 4 times. So 2 times here, 2 times here, 4 times. 2 times L, this and this. Yes or no? Are you people able to understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
There is nothing difficult to understand. Very simple. Diagrammatically, we are learning each and everything here. Yes or no? Yes. Now look at it. Now we'll talk about very, very important note. What is the length of diagonal of cuboid? Tell me. Diagonal of cuboid. Guys, you can just divide into triangles. You would get L square, square root of L square plus B square plus H square. How many of you know this formula? How many of you know this formula? How many of you know this formula? I'm asking.
Oh no, sir. This is actually new.
No,
for me.
No one knows. Yes. Friend, yeah. Are you people able to understand? Yes.
yes, sir.
Sir, could you please explain like how you got the diagonal?
Definitely. Very, very good. That is what we are going to do now. Guys, apart from that, you understood the above things, how we wrote to do. Guys, you need not to by heart the formulas here. Imagine the diagram, keep the diagram in mind, and accordingly you just remember that. Okay, is it clear? Children, are you getting my point or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So yes, now we'll have a look at this. By applying Pythagoras theorem, I'll be writing this. Let us have a look at the proof of this one. Okay. Now diagonal means what? This could be my diagonal. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or this will be my diagonal. This will be my diagonal. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or this could be my diagonal. This could be my diagonal. Yes or no? Now, if you just compare this now, this is my L here. EF is what? L here. Okay. This is my HF. I mean, GF is what? GF is what? B, right? Yes or no? Which means HE also be here. What is C, G here? Height. Now, guys, look at this here. You take this triangle. Triangle, which one? Triangle EGF. From triangle EGF, what is triangle angle F is equal to 90 degrees? Yes or no? If I apply Pythagoras theorem, what will happen here? This is my longest side, hypotenuse. So EG square is equal to EF square plus GF square. So EG is equal to square root of EF square plus GF square. Is that clear बेटा? तो EG
Yes.
is equal to, मेरे पास EF क्या है देखो, EF L, yes or no? L
Yes, sir.
square, GF क्या है? B square.
B square.
Let us say this is my equation number 1. कुछ भी ऐसा मान लो, ठीक है? हाँ. Now let me take one more triangle. Here. कुछ भी ट्रायंगल ले लो, कौन सा भी ले लो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. देखो, लेट मी टेक दिस इज अ, इधर से इधर ये वाला, ये भी एक डायगोनल है ना? यस और नो? यस और नो? इज दैट क्लियर विथ यू ऑल? नाउ फ्रॉम ट्रायंगल ECF, from the triangle ECF, people are able to imagine here. From the triangle ECF, देखो इधर ध्यान से सुनो. ECF, from this triangle, or else देखो मेरा, you take a triangle like this. Guys, let me draw the diagram one more time so that ताकि आपको confusion ना आए, ताकि आपको confusion ना आ जाए. Look at this. Let us first, I took the diagonal and I just framed triangle EGF. From that, F is 90 degrees, so I took EG is equal to square root of L square plus B square. Fine. Now let me take one more part here. This is my diagonal now. Is yes or no? This is my diagonal. Okay. So now EC is my diagonal now from triangle. From triangle EC, already this is my diagonal, right? ये भी एक मेरा diagonal है ना? So from ECG triangle, from triangle, let's read it correctly, ECG triangle. Guys, from ECG triangle, what is hypotenuse? So EC square is equal to, Now here G is 90 degrees, right?
Yes, sir.
Angle G is equal to 90 degrees. So from here, EC square is equal to what? EG square plus EG square plus क्या है बेटा बताओ? GC square. तो EC square क्या है बेटा? Square, oh sorry,
90 square.
square root of EG is what here? EG. EG is what? This is what I got. Yes or no? Or else you substitute here EG. EG is what here? Square root of L square plus B square. EG whole square plus GC square. What is GC here? GC is what beta? क्या है? GC क्या है? What is GC? Height. H square. Yes or no? People
Yes.
are you able to understand? So let me write EC square as it is. So here square root गया तो EC square बचा as it is L square plus B square plus H square. तो EC is equal to what? L square plus B square plus H square. What is EC here? देखो. What is EC here? EC क्या है? What is EC? EC is also a diagonal. Yes or no? Hence, आपको क्या समझ में आया इधर से? What you understood? Therefore, length of the diagonal of a cuboid is equal to square root of L square plus B square plus H square. Yes or no? Any doubts? Gaya? Guys, are you able to understand here? Any doubts? Make it fast. Now, everyone should tell me. Any doubts here? Guys, lateral surface area means 2 times of H into L plus B. 2 times of H into L plus B. And the diagonal length of the diagonal of a cuboid is what? Square root of L square plus B square plus H square. Any doubts? Everyone should respond. Everyone should respond. Guys, hello. People,
Yes, sir.
any doubts?
No, sir. Not
Very simple. By applying Pythagoras theorem, by using a Pythagoras theorem, you just prove that. Next. Now we'll solve a question. We'll solve a question related to this. Question is, let me draw the diagram once. Okay. Guys, it should be perfect actually. ठीक है? हाँ, देखो. If I just draw, this is my diagram. This is a diagram given. ठीक है? कुछ भी ऐसा ले लो भाई. He has given this length is equal to 8 centimeters. This is what width or breadth. Oh, एक minute. Children, 1 second. B is equal to given some 6 centimeters and this height given that 5 centimeters. Okay, so this is a given diagram. It is a cuboid having length, breadth, height. Find TSA. What is TSA?
Sir, total surface area.
TS, array, total surface area only, ra babu. Tell me what is the answer? Total surface area only. I know that. Everyone knows that. I'm asking for the answer.
Yes, sir. That.
టిఎస్సి అంటే సరదాగా ఏదో షార్ట్ కట్ బాగుంది కదా ఆ? అని చెప్పి టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా అని చెప్తున్నావు ఆశీష్.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'm doing.
Make it fast. What was the formula? Total surface area is nothing but sum of all sides, which means 2 times of LB plus BH plus LH or HL. So 2 into what is L here? 8 into 6 plus 6 into 5 plus 5 into 8. So 2 into 8, 6, 48 plus 30 plus 40. So 2 times of how much? 70, 118, which means how much? 236 centimeter square. Yes or no, guys? Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Guys, here centimeter square or centimeter cube? Chapandi. Tell me, centimeter square here. Why?
Square, sir.
Here L is in centimeter, B is also centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Centimeter square plus centimeter square plus centimeter square. All centimeter square combinedly gives you centimeter square only. Yes or no? That's what I wrote. 236 centimeter square. Very simple. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I'll give a simple question here. Simple question. Everyone should solve. Tell me the answer. Length given 4.8 centimeters. B given, breadth given 3.4 centimeters. And guys, sometimes instead of saying breadth, he says width. Width or breadth, both are same actually. And height 7.2 centimeters given. Okay, fine. Find total surface area and lateral surface area. Make it fast. Make it fast.
Sir, is TSA 91.68?
Sorry,
Is TSA 91.68?
what is the TSA?
Yes, sir. Total surface area.
No.
Okay.
Make it fast.
Sir, it is 91.68 only, no, sir. TSA.
TSA or
Yes, sir.
LSA? Which one you are saying?
TSA, sir. I'm saying TSA, sir.
Total surface area is how much? How much you got, guys? I do not.
91.68.
I do not know the answer. We have to solve that. You guys, tell me. Make it fast. Tell me calculations only. Simplification, addition, subtraction. What about others? Still calculating? Ashish, did you use calculator or hand calculation? Manual calculation? Ashish.
Manual only, sir.
Okay. 3.4 into 4.8. So 1632. 6.16 point. Okay.
Is it correct, sir?
1 second, I'm calculating here. 0.4, 7.2.
Sir, just a minute, sir. I got these digits wrong. Once again, I'll do.
Wrong. You should not get 91. It will be above 150
Yes,
something
sir.
like that. 150.72
Yes, sir. Yes.
is the answer.
Sir,
Yes,
is it 158.52?
not 158. 150.72.
Okay.
I got total surface area as 150.72.
Very good. Right answer. What about other things? Hello. Yes, sir. No worry. How long will you solve? Very simple calculation.
Sir, 1 minute.
No, 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 no. I won't give much time than this. Very simple calculation. What is TSA? 2 times of 4.8 into How much you got? 3.4. 16.32 plus 3.4 into 7.2. How much? 24.48 plus LH 4.8 into 7.2. 34.56. 2 times up. Sum of all this you get somewhere 70.75.36 centimeter square. 75 how much? 75 to 150. 150.36 to 72.
70.
Very good. So LAC. What is LAC? 2 times of height into L plus B. 2 into height 7.2 into 4.8 plus 3.4. So 14.4 here. 14.4 into how much? 7,
8.2.
8.2. So 144 into how much you get? So you get 118.08. This is what your, this is also in centimeter square. Is there any doubts? Any doubts? Okay. So this is what the today's class is all about. And remaining things we'll discuss in the next class. I'll tell you the timings. I'll ask sir and Manoj sir and let you know. Okay. Regarding the timings and all. Okay. Thank you, children. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Bye.